Verses 20 and 21 on the screen. Then in his place one will arise who will send an oppressor to the jewel of his kingdom. Yet within a few days he will be shattered, though not in anger nor in battle. Remember we covered this earlier when we were in Daniel chapter 2. I'm reviewing it again. This oppressor would be Caesar Augustus. Okay, we're talking about the days of Rome. Luke 2 verse 1 says this, now in those days a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that a census be taken. See, if you take a census, that means you want to understand how many people are there so you can tax them. That would be the oppressor in verse 20. But it says, yet within a few days he will be shattered, though not in anger nor in battle. That's exactly what would happen to Caesar Augustus. He was not killed or assassinated like Julius Caesar. And everyone actually loved Caesar Augustus. He was highly endeared to the Roman people. And he just died of old age. That's what the scriptures say. Caesar Augustus, he will be shattered, though not in anger and battle. Then look who takes his place in verse 21. In his place, a despicable person will arise. So there's no question about who arose in his place, and the Bible even speaks of him. Tiberius Caesar in Luke 3 verse 1. Now in the 15th year of the reign of Tiberius Caesar. Tiberius Caesar follows Augustus, and he was a despicable person. History books demonstrate that without any confusion. And it says, on whom the honor of kingship has not been conferred. I'm back in verse 21. Yeah, he was adopted son, and he was despised. But he will come in a time of tranquility. This is the Pax Romana that was ushered in at the Battle of Actium in 31 BC. And then look at verse 22. The overflowing forces will be flooded away before him and shattered, and also the Prince of the Covenant. That's Jesus Christ. So Jesus Christ was crucified under Tiberius Caesar's reign under Pontius Pilate. And so when we go back to the larger framework here, we see Rome appear in verse 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, Augustus Caesar, Palestine, Tiberius, Pax Romana, Jesus Christ. There it is, the Mare, cross of Christ.